Welcome back. If you're new here, welcome. If you're old, my name is Irina Gede. But guess what? We're gonna be doing unboxing video today. You see this? This is number one. We're gonna unbox this, and we got one big package that I've been waiting for. That I've been, you know, wishing to buy for a very long time. But at least finally, we got it. And I'm gonna show it to you. It's gonna be in the kitchen. Now we're gonna put a more YouTube video. So guys, let's get right into it, my beautiful people. We're gonna open this first. This is a charger. And when you know, you know. I did my phone charge every time to make video for you. So we ain't gonna play around here. You wanna see that video coming? We have the charger. We have the charger. It can charge your watch, it can charge your phone, it can charge your earpod, it can charge everything in one. It's very pretty. I like it. So I want my phone to be charged all the time, both of them, so I can get you more video. Okay? Okay. Yeah. Look at that. It come with it. Stuff you gotta stick behind your phone and then stick it on there. We got it in a white. If you know, you know. I love white. This is it. This is the main Bible. This is how it look like. You got some papers in there, instruction on how to use it, and you have a little box in here. Let's see what's in here. And ooh, okay. And we have the whole charger. This one, I'm gonna put it in my bag and be taking it to work. It looks good. It looks good. Let's look that when it charged, it charged. You can take it off and put it back. Yep. So that's it for number one. I put it back in the box. Okay, you don't want to churn. I need that real bad. So bad. And then we're gonna come to the big boy. Here come the bride. Da-da-da-da-da. That's the big boy. Let's open her and see what's going on with her. Let's go. Let's see what's going on. Quiet on the creek. This is how she look like in the. Yeah, we're gonna get her out. I want a moment for everybody. Look like she's hard to come out. So I'm gonna flip it like this, and I'm gonna pull the back side. Gee. Yeah. That's her. We flip her. Ow! Oh my God. No, I was going to cry. This is one of those stuff you're gonna use. And piano. Oh! We also got her in white. I'm telling you, she's so pretty. She's so pretty. We're gonna bake some bread, cornbread, any kind of bread we can bake now. This is our time to shine. She's gonna sit right on the counter. Hold on, I'll show you. It comes with the top. This is the lip, so you can once you're using it, it can be flashing everywhere. I like that for me. Hold on, Janito. Okay. Then we have, sorry. We have this. Ready? We have, and then we have the bowl. The bowl. The bowl. Yep. Yes. It's not that big, but it's okay for me. It's okay for me. We do baking a lot, but not too much, just for the household. So I'll pull her back. I'll make her look pretty. Yeah. And then I'll shove her back. I'll set it on a counter so you can see the beauty of this. So I'll set her down like this. This is your spot. Nobody can take you from here. And then, whew, look at her. Look at her, look at her, look at her. She's so pretty. She's so pretty. She's so pretty. Guys, that was it. She's cute. She's everything that I wanted. And I didn't get what I ordered versus what I get. But bye, my lovely people. Make sure you like the video. Watch the video all the way to the end. See ya. God bless ya. Subscribe. Don't forget.